The customer journey. What is the customer journey? The customer journey is every single person that you want to come to your business. And I always use the example or the metaphor of the lobby. And you want people to come into your front doors. So you want to decorate your front doors a certain way to attract people into your lobby. They come into your lobby. Now, where do you want them to go? Do you want them to go right? Do you want them to go left? Do you want them to go through four different doors, three different doors? Think of it psychologically. Where do you want your customers to go? That's ultimately what it is the customer experience, the customer journey. It's very, very important, where we bring your customer. So I think that's the most important thing to think of when it comes to your business is that customer journey. What do we want them to do and why do we want them to do it? It's critical. And just try to imagine an imaginary door before the door, the sign on the door that's going to attract your customer. What's going to make them look at the door? What's going to make them open the door? What's going to make them walk in? Now, where do you want them to go next? And then what experience do you want them to have after that? So when they go through each door, they're going to have a certain experience, right? We want to focus on that experience. We want to make sure people go through whatever door they choose, that they're going to have an awesome experience. Because then guess what? They're going to say, hey, to their friends, come on, I want you to come through the door and join us. We want them to become raving fans. Think of everything you love. It's because you love the brand, the product, the organization, whatever it is you like. You love it. And that's what we're trying to do in business and personally too. We want to become the best versions of ourselves and we want to become the best versions of our business so that we can attract the appropriate amount of customers that are really geared for your business. That's the key. And doing that consistently, consecutively, and do it with energy and do it with passion and do it with integrity, do all that stuff just the best you possibly can, and you're going to grow bounds, leaps and bounds. So think about the customer journey and how important that is, right? Always remember the customer journey, and if you consider that journey, it's going to shape your business perfectly and you're going to keep your customers very, very happy.